today I'm gonna solve the most famous question of famous question of LeetCode. That is very famous. And question name is length of last word. Question number is 58. It is a easy level of question. So what is the question saying? Question saying we would be given a string as consisting of word and spaces. So return the length of last word in the string. Okay. And the word maximal substring consisting of non-space characters. Okay. So there would be non-space character in the string, right? So there are some examples. So first example is hello world. Okay, so we need to count the characters of word. Okay, last word of the string. So there is 1 2 3 4 5 5 words are there, so we will have to return the 5 here, right? And we have other test cases. Test case s is equals to fly me to the moon. So there is a space, there is two space, so we need to just calculate the characters of last word, and we need to terminate the space before last word. If there is any space before last word in the string, then we have to terminate that. Okay, this is the question. So we will be solving this question very easily. So let's solve this question. So first I would declare a variable. I would traverse from end of the string. So I would let a pointer here, end of the string, right? So let's let the pointer end. Okay, end would be at the end of the string. String is s here, so s dot length -1, right? So end would be pointing to the end of the end character of the string, right? Last character of the string. And I would declare a count so that I can count the value of the last word of the string. I would initialize it by 0. So after that, I need to terminate this space. If there is any space in the string, then I'll have to think about that space, right? So for that, I would run a while loop. Okay. So in while loop, what I will think to terminate that space. So for that, I would check whether s of end is equals to space or not. If it is, and our end is greater than 0, then we'll have to decrease the end. Okay, our end is greater than or equals to 0, then I would be just decreasing the end by 1. Okay, so this loop will just terminate the space coming after the word after the last word. Okay, if you be traversing from last, if any space coming before the last word, then this loop would terminate that. So after that, our work is to calculate the characters of the last word. Okay, so I would run another while loop. Okay, so in another while loop, I will check whether our end, if our end is, while our end is not equals to space, and what, and end is greater than equals to 0, then we will be just incrementing the count by 1. Okay, and decreasing the end also. Okay, are you getting that? Yeah, right. So yeah, that's it. And now, as question saying, we'll have to return a number as a count of the last word, right? So let's return the count here. Return count. That's it. This solution should work. Let's see if it is working or not. Yeah, this is working fine. Yeah, this is passing all the test cases. Let's submit this. Yeah, this would be working. Yeah, it is working fine. It is quite good solution, and it is quite understandable also. This is like a brute force, but this is not a brute force. There can be many solutions. You would be finding this solution very easy and very understandable. This is quite good solution. Yeah, that's it for today. Goodbye.